the 29 of Todd Bridges. And back there by himself in the Honda out of Poinet, Wisconsin, that is Tim Finstad. Lights on the car corner pace truck are out. David Russell Jr. is going to set the pace for our American short trackers as they're going to run 25 laps. Here they come, here they come, here they come. Green flag, and we're racing. Into turn 1. Russell and Schneider. Coming into 3 and 4. Russell with barely a lead there. And Sean Rickelman running third. Here comes Kelly Evink, your fast qualifier. Rickelman, oh, David Russell Jr. just about lost his car and went sideways. Good driving by David Russell Jr. Going into 3 and 4, your new leader is the Wild Child. Oh, David Russell Jr. having handling issues now in that number 8 car. And here comes Kelly Evink. He decided to go from way outside to way inside, makes contact with the Sean Rickelman car, and he's now going to challenge Nick Schneider for the lead. And they make contacts. Nick Schneider about spins out. He's hitting Sean Rickelman now. Nick Schneider all over the place. Look out. Rickelman had to try to just get out of the way. He lost a lot of momentum, and now here comes 25 of breakout Sean Bauer. But it's Evink now to barely get ahead of Nick Schneider. Not sure if he's got it completely. Sean Rickelman having some trouble in the 50 cars. He's way off the pace. Not sure if he's got a flat tire in that car or what's going on. Right now, our new leader here is Kelly Evink, followed by Schneider, followed by Sean Bauer and David Russell. And it looks like Terry Ciano Jr. is going to be in 5th place now. So now Terry Ciano Jr. feeling pressure from the rookie Amanda Bone. He just started to pull away though there. They were close in 1 and 2. Breakout Sean Bauer challenging the other rookie Nick Schneider for 2nd place. Nick Schneider in the 25 car. Just about got 2nd place away from Nick Schneider. And Nick Schneider and Breakout Bauer are really having a battle there, as both these drivers are rookies. Both of them are used to front-wheel drives, and they're driving rear-wheel drives. So I'm not sure if anybody wants to pass them right now. Yeah, they kind of like David Russell's just kind of sitting back there going, why don't you guys figure out what's going to happen here? But meanwhile, Kelly Evink might be putting this in cruise control shortly. Looks like Sean Bauer has about a half a car lead on Nick Schneider. And now he's got a full car lead. Not anymore. They're back about a half car lead. And Sean Bauer and Nick Schneider getting a little contact there coming into turn 1. So the 50 car, Sean Rickelman, coming back out on the field here. Something's definitely wrong with that 50 car, as he had trouble earlier in the race. Right now, it's now breakout Sean Bauer trying to run down Kelly Evink. Sean Bauer was the closest for times in catching him during qualifying. So we'll see what Sean Bauer can do. He's still got a lot of laps left. He's got about 12 laps to go. Tim Finstad now on the move. Tim Finstad getting into the top 5, getting in front of Terry Ciano Jr. David Russell just kind of holding steady there right behind the Wild Child, Nick Schneider. As they're coming around here this time. 15 down, 10 to go for Kelly Evink. Finstad to the inside of David Russell to go ahead and challenge him for that 4th spot. Oh, they're getting close. And it's Finstad side by side with David Russell Jr. And Sean Rickelman hits the wall, smokes everywhere, yellow flag out. Hope everybody sees it. They do. Not good on the 50 car of Sean Rickelman as he smacked the wall. Yeah, whatever had happened with the car earlier in the race, it definitely didn't get any better, and that's very unfortunate. Very good-looking car there. Our driver out of Woodford, Wisconsin. So tough break for Sean Rickelman there. Capitalize and get the win here. He's got everybody here. It's now or never here for Tim Finstad and Sean Bauer as the lights on the car corner pace truck are out. They are now entering the Raw Steel Collision Center restart zone. Here they come, here they come, here they come. Green flag, and we're racing. And Finstad is going to try to get around. Oh, they made contact. Finstad and Sean Breakout Bauer made contact going into one. Looks like no harm, no foul, though. As they're coming into 3 and 4 now, Tim Finstad going to give it everything he's got with that Honda to try to bring down Kelly Evink. I don't know if he's going to catch him, though. We'll see. Kelly Evink definitely stepping on the gas right on the get-go, and that's what you got to do. All right, 19 in, 6 to go for Kelly Evink. Everybody else kind of single file racing here. Laps are winding down. David Russell Jr. was starting to catch the wild child. See if he makes a move for 4th place. Two to go for Kelly Evink. We'll see if he can do it. Tim Finstad doing everything and anything he can to try to catch Kelly Evink. He may do it. We don't know. Hey, Kevin. White flag out for Kelly Evink. All right, here we go. It's now or never. Let's see if Tim Finstad's got something for him. Checkered flag is out. Here comes. It's going to be Kelly Evink to win. Finstad for 2nd. Sean Bauer for 3rd. Nick Schneider for 4th. David Russell Jr. for 5th. Todd Bridges for 6th. And Amanda Bone in 7th. Sponsored by Retool. Get you. Neighbors Bar and Grill. Retool Get Used, 815-398-4900 in this 2005 Mustang. Don Hewitt. All right, Rockford Speedway, let's make some noise. It's Kelly Evink. Yeah. All right. My gosh, I'm glad they didn't hear that. All right, Kelly Evink, congratulations, sir. Your night here with the 8 laps to go. I kind of figured that our rookie drivers, they were best to go to the outside, and that gave Tim Finstad a chance to give you a run for the money, and you knew it was coming. I mean, I saw you in the race. You knew it was coming, and so right from the get-go, you're like, you were stepped on it. I know you did. A little close, but definitely you have a very fast car. What do you got to say about tonight's race?
I knew Tim was going to move up there, and he's good, he's fast, and he was right there. We were fighting a tight car all day, all night, but hey, we won. So thanks for all the sponsors and the crew.
Do you got anybody you want to thank? I've said, of course, a very special place to you, Neighbors Bar and Grill, and Retool. Anybody else?
Yeah, Jason Brockway, Dave Cooter Trucking, Retool, Don Dewage, and what a great team we have.
Outstanding. Kelly Evink, great job tonight. Very, very fast car. Congratulations once again, sir. Rockford time, Kelly Evink. Oh, and now it's time for the craziness. It's the original Sixers feature.